Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to my channel. I am at Walgreens and I'm here to share with you guys some deals. It's kind of a slow week, so if you guys are interested in taking a break, definitely go ahead and take a break. But I'm going to walk around the store and see if I can find some more deals than I originally had. I'm trying to get some Ibotta deals. We'll see if that happens, but let's go inside. I'm going to walk in the store, show you guys all the deals, and then I come back and show you my breakdown and any problems that I had and all that stuff. So let's go shopping and save some money. So the women's body wash is $8.79. It is buy one get one 50% off. We do have a 2 off a 2 digital coupon that you can use. You'll pay $11.18, but then you get a $4 registry reward when you purchase the 2. Comes out to be $5.18 or $3.59 each. Or there is the men's body wash for $7.99 at buy one get one 50% off. You use that 2 off a 2 digital coupon. You would pay $9.98, get that $4 registry reward, making it $5.98 or just $2.99 each. Not the greatest deal if you guys want to go ahead and do that. So we have the Crest Densify on sale for $6.99, and there's a deal if you spend $10, you get a $5 register reward. Then we're also going to do the Kids Protection Toothpaste, which is on sale for $3.99. Now, I didn't check the app yet, but we do have 50% off coupons from our P&G from last week for the kids' toothpaste. And we have $3 off coupons, sorry, it's not focusing, for the Densify. You'll end up just paying $7.48. This is a deal where you do not pay with Walgreens cash. Do not pay with Walgreens cash. You can use different register rewards to lower your pocket, but make sure you might have a filler item. But you'll pay $7.48. There is a $1 rebate with Ibotta for the kids, and then there's a 50-cent rebate with the Crest Densify. So you'll get $1.50 back, plus you'll get that $5 register reward, making your final price just 98 cents or 49 cents each. It's an okay deal. I say for $7 toothpaste you can get for 50 cents. I think that's a pretty decent deal. We have the Act toothpaste for $3.49. We also have the Act mouthwash, but the toothpaste is $3.49. You're going to want to use 2 of the $1 off insert coupons that we have. And then in the Walgreens booklet, or you can clip it to your app, but the app you can only use once. There is a 3 off a 2 coupon that you can stack with it. So your final total for 2 of them come out to be just $1.98 or 99 cents each, which is an okay deal for kids' toothpaste. We have some Oral-B toothbrushes on sale for $4.99. You want to use 2 of the $2 off P&G coupons. You'll end up just paying $5.98, but then there is a $4 register reward you get when you purchase the 2. These come out to be just $1.98 or 99 cents each, or 49 cents a toothbrush. So we have Colgate toothpaste on sale for $3.99. You want to use a 3 off a 2 digital coupon that we have. You end up paying just $4.98, but you will get a $4 cash rewards when you purchase 2. Comes out to be just 98 cents or 49 cents each. So it's up to you if you want to do that deal. If you're interested in the Oral-B dental floss, these are $3.99. We do have a $1 off digital coupon and a 3 off a 2 digital coupon that you'll end up using. You'll pay just $7.97. But this is a deal where you spend $10, you get a $5 register reward. So you want to do this separately than the other deal that I showed you previously. But you will pay $7.97 and you get that $5 register reward back, making these all just $2.97 or 99 cents each. The Compeed is $9.99. I found a $3 off Peely coupon on the box of my stuff. Plus there is a $3 off coupon that you can get with the Walgreens booklet. You'll just get this for $3.99, but then there is a $2 rebate with Ibotta, making your final price just $1.99. The Bulldog Shave Gel is $7.49. You're going to buy 2 of them. We currently have a $7 off a 2 digital coupon that you can use. You'll end up just paying $7.98, but then you get a $4 cash rewards when you purchase 2. Comes out to be just $3.98 or $1.99 each. The Werther's is on sale for 2 for $4. We do have a $1 off a 2 insert coupon that we just got today's inserts. you'll pay $3, but then there is an Ibotta rebate for 75 cents, and it is a limit of 5, so you get $1.50 back with Ibotta, making it $1.50 or just 75 cents each. The red vines are 3 for $4. You're going to pay $4 for it, but then there is a 75-cent rebate with the Ibotta app. It is a limit of 5, so you can get 3 of them, so you'll get 75 cents times 3. Your final total comes out to be just $1.75 or 58 cents each. The Hershey Kisses are on sale for $2.49. Now we do have a $1 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet, plus we have a $1 off of 2 digital coupon. You get 2 of these for just $2.98 or $1.49 each, which is a pretty good deal if you guys need some candy for the baskets. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. I'm here to share with you guys what I got at Walgreens. So I'm gonna dig in right now. The funny thing is my store is still out of shopping carts. Like, it's crazy. I'm happy that the employees know me because they have some really crappy carts in their back room that they use for themselves, and I'm like, can I borrow a cart? And I'm happy that they know me very well, that I'm not gonna steal a cart and I will bring it back, because it sucks. It's going on a month and a half now without shopping carts in my store because people walk out the door with shopping carts full of stuff. Even the baskets are still gone, but I'm still happy that, you know, I absolutely love the employees at my store. So I'm just gonna dig in and share with you guys. So I ended up getting the Act toothpaste for the little kiddos. These were $3.49. I used 2 $1 off insert coupons that we got today, and then there was a 3 off of 2 coupon in the Walgreens booklet, making these just $1.98 or 99 cents each. Now I usually say don't pay for toothpaste, but I feel like kids toothpaste we actually do pay for. But bubble gum, can't go wrong with bubble gum. I ended up getting the Bulldog shave gel. Now these were, seriously, did I not write this down? I did the math in my head and then I did not write this down. I think these were $7.49, and then there is a 7 off of 2 digital coupon that you'd want to use. I totally forgot to write this down because I just do it on my calculator and then I film it on my calculator. But anyways, when you purchase the 2 of these, you get a $4 cash rewards. You guys saw my breakdown, so sorry for messing it up. I just didn't write it down. I ended up getting the Hershey Kisses milk chocolate. I really wanted the caramel, but they only had just the regular, and that'll do. My daughter is obsessed with chocolate, so this is perfect for her Easter basket. So these were $2.49, and there is a $1 off of 2 digital coupon, and there is a $1 off of 2 Walgreens booklet coupon that you can combine, making these just $2.98 or $1.49 each. Great deal if you guys need some candy for Easter. I ended up getting the Oral-B toothbrushes. Now this is a deal where I did it. Nope, this is one I did with my regular stuff. So these were $4.99. I used two $2 off insert coupons, paid $5.98, but then you get a $4 register reward when you purchase the 2 of them. Comes out to be just $1.98 or 99 cents each, or 49 cents a toothbrush. So if you guys need some toothbrushes, definitely go ahead and do that deal. Now this deal I did do in a separate transaction because this is a spend deal. So these, the Densify was $6.99 and the kids toothpaste was $3.99. I used a $3 off coupon and a 50-cent off coupon. One of these beeped, you know, and the cashier totally read it through, which is totally fine because I wasn't doing anything wrong. So just be prepared if you guys don't like it, if coupons beep for you. But did that. You would pay $7.48, but then you get a 50-cent rebate with Ibotta for this one, and a $1 rebate with Ibotta for this one. I've been eyeing this up for a long time at my store, but I've just been waiting for them to have a sale or a deal. But then you get a $5 register reward when you purchase the 2 of them for spending 10. So again, do not pay with points with this one. Comes out to be just 98 cents. So I think that's a pretty decent deal. And then another deal that I also did in a separate transaction, I have 3 of these. I don't know what the third one is. I got the Oral-B dental floss. Now these were $3.99. I had a $1 off digital coupon and a 3 off a 2 digital coupon. Paid $7.97 for this. You get that $5 register reward also, making these just $2.97 or 99 cents each. This is again a deal, do not pay with Walgreens cash, but everything else you can, besides those 2 deals that I showed you. I ended up getting the Werther's Originals. These were 2 for $4. You want to use that $1 off a 2 insert coupon. If you have it, you'd pay $3 for it. So then there's a 75-cent rebate and a 75-cent rebate with Ibotta, making these just $1.50 or 75 cents each, which is a pretty good deal. I ended up getting the Compeed blister. My store had the other ones on sale for $6.99, but I no longer have an Ibotta deal for it. So if you guys have an Ibotta deal for it, definitely go ahead and do that. But this was $9.99. There is a $3 off Peely coupon on this, so I got this for $6.99. But then there is a $3 off Walgreens booklet coupon, so you'd get this for $3.99. Then you submit your receipt for $2 with Ibotta, making this $1.99. Now I did this because I get the employee discount, so it came out to be a whole lot cheaper for me. But if you guys really need this, I think $1.99 is a pretty decent deal. So yes. And then I got the Colgate toothpaste. The Colgate toothpaste was not marked. My store didn't have hardly anything for Colgate. When I was shopping in the store, he said that he had an online order and somebody bought 18 tubes of toothpaste. And I'm like, yeah, I know exactly what kind of people those are. They're couponers. But I can't do that. I can't do the online shopping. I don't feel comfortable. Probably because my store is so short-staffed. It's ridiculous. My store is a 24-hour store. That's why you guys always hear the welcome to Walgreens, because it goes on during the middle of the night to let the employees know that there's somebody in the store, because they can't sit there and stand at the register all night long when they're busy doing things. But my store, the pharmacy, was closed today because they are so short-staffed, and it's a 24-hour pharmacy. It's crazy. So I just can't do that. If I do that, I'll be in the store to do it. But anyways, these were $3.99. I used a 3 off a 2 digital coupon. You would pay $4.98. Get these, you get a $4 cash rewards back, making them 98 cents or 49 cents each, which is an okay deal. And then here's another thing, if you guys need some more Easter basket items. The red vines were 3 for $4, so you'd pay $4 for this. But then you get 75 cents back times 3, making your final price just $1.75 or 58 cents each, which I think is a pretty decent deal. So I got all that. The Dove body wash, to me, it seemed like a deal before I got to the store, and then I'm like, no, don't want to do it. But other than that, I'm pretty excited for the Hershey Kisses because I'm craving some chocolate right now. So my total came to $32.12. I do want to let you guys know, so Walgreens used to be my go-to place to get soda pop, 12 packs of pop. They always had the A&W 3 for $7.99 or 3 for $8.99. Awesome, awesome, awesome deal. Well, now today they're 3 for $12.99. I did get some. I didn't include it in my haul, but be prepared. Soda pop is going on sale. So my go-to places to get soda now is pretty much Walgreens and Pick and Save / Kroger. I mean, they want like $6 now for a 12 pack of pop. I think that's ridiculous. But just want to give you guys a heads up. I was going to make a video, but then I decided not to. But anyways, my total came to $32.12. I ended up receiving $13.57 of points. I received $4 cash rewards for the Bulldog, and then I received $4 cash rewards for the Colgate, and then I also had a $5 booster if you spend $22. So I'm like, sweet, $22. I received $14 worth of register rewards. With Ibotta, I got $7.25 points, or $7.25 back. I need 5 more rebates for the weekend wire. The odds of hitting that is very slim, but you know what, that's okay. But I ended up getting everything for free, and I made a $2.70 moneymaker, so I am pretty excited with everything that I got. If you enjoyed this video, please let me know by giving this video a big thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel if you guys haven't already. It's absolutely free. I'm here to share with you guys deals on how to save money, not just couponing, but other ways to save money. And I just want to say thanks for everybody who watches my channel and supports my channel. Thanks, and I'll see you guys next week. See you later. Bye-bye.